Hi, and welcome to, let's say, part 1.5 for my project car. Today I got some good news and some nice things I want to share. I got something for my Toyota, and as you can see, I have painted my door, so my door is completely finished now. So what I'm going to show you is some parts for the project. So yeah, as you can tell, I got some new wheels, I got some wheel arches, and I got some new front fenders. So it's going to be nice, hopefully. So yeah, the door is now complete, and it is pretty nice now. I've painted the door, fixed the as good as I can, and the car is going to be in this color, the whole car. But I need to do some changes first, and that is the fenders. That is what I have ordered now, and those fenders are going to be with the quad lights. So instead of this headlights, I will have two round ones on each side, and the fenders also have holes on the top so I can mount some mirrors on. So yeah, we can now do an unboxing of the wheels and the fenders so you can see how it is. And these wheels are really special. It's from Japan, or I ordered it here in Norway, but it's some original JDM wheels and some JDM fenders, because these type of fenders did not come in Europe, I think. So yeah, let's have a look. Well, I'm going to open this so you can see what type of fenders I have ordered. And it seems like it is just used this source something for this package. And I ordered this from Pakistan because it's really hard to get these fenders, especially here in Europe. So I have got myself a dealer from Pakistan who deals a lot of these parts for the Toyota. But yeah, pretty well packaged, and yeah, I don't think I'm going to open it because I'm not going to install it on the car yet, because I want to paint it in the blue. And yeah, so as you can see, one of the fenders is brand new OEM from Toyota, and the other fender is used but also OEM. So yeah, he's packed the things really good with some bubble wrap, so that's really nice. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to install that, but I have to order some more parts from the front, like the headlights, the front grille, and also this front part here, because it's all rusted out. So I have to wait a little bit more and then paint everything in blue, and then I can install it. I can show you a picture of how it's going to look right here. So you can see the front type, like the headlights and everything. So yeah, so now time for the unboxing of the wheels, or unpackaging. I'm pretty excited because I haven't. Okay, bye. Yeah, but I haven't seen this in real life. I just got some pictures and I just ordered them. And here they are, These are some original SSR Star Shark wheels, 14-inch. They have been restored at some point. I still got the original hardware, so that's good. The rims, it has seen some better days. I have been, you know, curved up a little bit, but for the price, I would not, you know, it was a good price. So to be original Star Shark wheels, that is nice. And also the good part about it, these wheels are 3-piece, so eventually I can change out the outer lip with some wider ones, or yeah, whatever. So it's not a big deal if these are curved up. So yeah, it will be really nice to see them on the Toyota. So I will be installing them today on the Toyota, because I'm so curious of how it's going to look, and I think it's going to look amazing, especially with those wheels there. They're original Toyota wheels, and they're pretty shitty. So yeah, let's change wheels. And here you have it. 14-inch SSR wheels, original 3-piece, but they are welded because of the rules in Japan. If you have 3-piece wheels, you have to weld them. So yeah, it looks just awesome. The wheels are really tiny. It's only 7-inch wide, or 7.5. I'm not sure. But yeah, it looks real nice. I just have to lower the car now to make it, you know, sit perfectly. Fix my wheel arches, installing the new fenders, the new front section of the car with the new headlights, paint the whole car in this blue color. So yeah, so let's see, this is going on this side. As you can see, it's not so much, it's rusted all the way, but damn, it's going to be nice. Hopefully I will successfully weld this on without making it too hard. So yeah, the car is slowly getting nicer for each time, and yeah, here it is, the project car, part 1.5.